Well, I did a short, but here's a slightly longer version. Yeah, I won the Uber contest, so that's the extra 150 they deposited in my bank. I just spent 50 or 60 on daiquiris and some boiled shrimp, and then after that I came down here to the beach. I'm at Pompano, and I'm on the pier. It's a really pretty place. Good for yourself. But anyways, this is what I'm doing today. Yes, I've had enough of the Uber and the DoorDash. They can both suck. I love you guys. That's what I meant to say. And thanks for the money to pay for this, I guess. But I'm done with y'all today. Today is my day. Look at this. We're out here hanging at the beach. And yeah, well, I can't complain too much. Uber and DoorDash did allow me to do this. So it's just a beautiful day. It's like where I like to be. It's nice and warm and sunny and, you know, beautiful and beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Okay, no. Oh, well, y'all have a good day. I'm going to.